Those brown paper mailers that arrive at your door might look simple, but they're actually an engineering marvel. These padded mailers start out as giant rolls that get corralled, where they wait to get prepped. Then they're hooked up, rolled out, and stamped with fresh ink. Some mailers even get a sticker for a job well done. Knives then cut the large roll into ribbons, and the mailer you know so well starts taking shape. Next, we apply glue dots, like in arts and crafts. And then, we join two halves of ribbon together, form a pocket, seal the base, and apply tear tape. Finally, the ribbons are chopped into individual mailers and passed through a toasty warm oven, causing them to expand and fluff, so your order stays nice and snug. Fresh out of the oven, our work of art is closely inspected and prepared for shipping. These beauties are sustainably made and recyclable. Recyclable paper padded mailers. We make that.